President Adama Barrow and his delegation on Saturday inspected several development projects in the education, health and sports sector to assess their progress. During the tour, the President visited the Gambia College dormitories, an ongoing construction project aimed at addressing the need for more student housing. The Honorable Minister for Higher Education, Professor Per Gomez, provides updates on the progress made, adding that once the dormitory project is completed, it will accommodate around 500 students. The project is funded by the MRC Holland Foundation in partnership with the Gambian government to meet the increasing demand for student accommodation. The delegation then proceeds to the construction site of the University of Science, Engineering and Technology USET building. This World Bank ACE-funded project is dedicated to providing exceptional academic programs and fostering innovation, research and professional development.
What I'm seeing, I think we are a little bit behind.
Yes.
It is because when I was briefed, I thought that we would have been at a more advanced level than this.
Yes.
That was my first question I asked. But he admits that we are a little bit behind. But I think if we fast track and have additional workers, exactly. I think that will help.
In Farato, the President visits the ongoing hospital construction. The hospital is expected to offer a comprehensive range of medical services and facilities, including 1,500 beds, an intensive care unit, delivery and recovery rooms, a dialysis unit, an X-ray center, an ultrasound unit, a conference center, an ambulance parking spot, public health laboratories, and an observation and treatment center, among others.
So far, we are very happy with the progress. We know that we can meet the time, I think so. We are targeting February, but I think you are saying you will finish it by September.
September is what we have now.
September.
But,
maybe September will be tight, but
yes.
But we are sure that
by the end of the year.
By the end of the year, we'll be very quite comfortable, to come and officially open the place.
Well, as I mentioned to you earlier also, there are two elements. You have the structural elements, yes, and the equipment element as well. So I think if February is the target, we need to work hard enough so that the equipment also will be.
In-house, we are having that meeting to make sure we meet the target. All right. Yeah.
His Excellency then proceeds to the National Food and Drug Quality Laboratory in Brusubi. The facility is the first of its kind in the Gambia, and once completed, it will serve as the reference center for the control of food and drug quality, ensuring safety throughout the country.
This is a big project, and it's a very important project for Gambia. Yes. Because this is the first time we are having a lab, because we all remember when we have the problem of the kidney injuries. Yes. And this was a problem of not testing. So now we want all medication to be tested in the Gambia. And also there is food lab also that will test food, quality food in this country. I think it's very important for us, and we are happy that we have been given assurance by the contractor, and that the project will finish on time.
President Barrow ends the tour by inspecting the renovation project at the Independence Stadium, which aims to transform the venue into a modern and versatile facility. The manager of the Independence Stadium, Ibu Fai, states that the renovation is expected to be completed before the end of the year, promising to meet CAF standards. Upon completion, he says, they will invite CAF to inspect and certify the stadium to host international matches. The President also answers questions about whether his government will build a new stadium following the Gambia's unfortunate banning from hosting international games due to CAF deeming the current stadium unfit. Here is an expert.
It's really unfortunate that our stadium is banned, and this was a grant from China. It's really unfortunate. I think previous government should have taken care of this. This is not our fault, this is not our making. But now government is continuity. It is our responsibility to make sure that we fix this studio. We will fix it and think about building another one. But before thinking about another one, we have to fix this one first.
After the inspection, President Barrow expresses satisfaction with the progress of ongoing works and urges the contractors and consultants to double their efforts. He assures the people of the Gambia that his administration is committed to socio-economic development. For the Fati Network, I am Jacqueline Coley.